Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize websites on Ecwid for printable art and posters business easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media based. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here, you have to sign up for free. So let's get started. Okay, so after you sign up, automatically it will take you to the dashboard. So in the dashboard here, you're gonna set up your website and storefront. So wait a few seconds. Okay, so as you see here, set up your website and the storefront. Click on it. It will take you to the editor page. Here we're gonna edit your website homepage. So go to the settings and go to the templates and select the templates which you want to use for your business. Okay, so I think I'm gonna choose this one here of the printable art. So if you don't find this topic of the printable or printable art and the posters, you can just select a random one like this one and customize it and design it on your homepage. So I'm gonna use it. Okay, so you have to change everything on this homepage or in this template. So start with the header. So enter here your company name. Okay, so let's go back now. You can manage the navigation menu, so you can add the menu item, your menu items. After this, let's go now to the design. So and the design of any section, you have to try your best to make your site look attractive for anyone can visit your site and attract your business. So make sure don't forget this simple details like the color and like the font, like the size. So all the simple stuff is important to make your site looks attractive. Now let's move on to the headline. So here you have to change the title and change the subtitle. You can, for example, introduce your business to your customers. You can type welcome to our site for printable art and posters. Okay, and the design, choose your favorite design and don't forget to change the size of this description here. Okay, now let's move on. Let's move on to the next section, the store section. So here you have to create your product, so you can manage the product. So go back to the dashboard and click here, add your products or services. After this, go on new products. Okay, and add your product gallery, add the name of your products, the area, the weight on kilogram. You can also customize the prices options, and you can add here the description of your product. So that's it. Now let's go back to the editor page. So after you're done, save this section here and go back to the editor, complete here the design of the background and the product name and the product image. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. Okay, so you have to change the image. So go to the browser and search on printable art. Okay, so I think I'm gonna choose just a random one, so you can choose whatever you like. So this is depends on your business. So for example, I'm gonna choose just a random image. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one for example. Okay, after this you have to add the description, and you have also to change this title here. Okay, after this choose your favorite design. Okay, after you add the tagline and the title and the description, now let's move on to the next section, short description. So after this the same thing as normal, nothing special here. So you can add the title and the subtitle. uh, Here for example in this description you can talk about your story, what makes you start your business, and why should your customers buy from you or use your services, something about your company informations. And the design, the same thing as normal, nothing special, just choose your favorite design. Okay, now let's move on to the contacts. So as you see here you have to add the description, and you can add the address, your exact postal address or plus code. You can enter the daily hours and the contact information and the social profiles. Okay, now let's move on to the design. So here in the design I rather choose this one here of the map in the background. Okay, so here you can scroll and zoom your location. Okay, now let's move on to the footer. So here you can just enter here your company name for the copyright. Okay, so if you want to add something new you can just add section. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. So that's it. So before you publish your website you can go to the preview and verify if something needs to change on your homepage. Okay, so after you verify you can just publish it. You can publish your website, and as you see now you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.